streets reflecting neon glow. A lonely piano's melody flows. Empty avenues mirroring my heart, torn apart by lies, a world falling apart. And why see nights cold and unforgiving? His love a ghost, a memory I'm living, a secret kept, a trust betrayed. In this city's embrace, my heart starts to fade. The city that never sleeps, yet I can't find rest. Haunted by his words put to the test. A love so strong, now fractured in a week. His silence screams louder than words he could speak. In why see nights cold and unforgiving, his love a ghost, a memory I'm living, a secret kept, a trust betrayed. In this city's embrace, my heart starts to fade. He watches from afar, a shadow in the night, torn between his love and the wrong and the right. But his guilt holds him back, a prisoner of his lies, while I'm left alone under these city skies. And why see nights cold and unforgiving? His love a ghost, a memory I'm living, a secret kept, a trust betrayed. In this city's embrace, my heart starts to fade. The piano's lament echoes through the streets, a soundtrack to my heartbreak, bittersweet. Alone in the city, lost in the rain, longing for a love I can't reclaim.